Hello friends, welcome to a new tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to perform insert, update, delete operation, CRUD operation using Python step by step. First of all, I'm going to creating database and table using pgadmin 4. Okay, this is pgadmin. Now expand PostgreSQL 16, create database and name the database name is student manage db. Save. Yes, the database is saved successfully. Now expand the schema, and this is the schema, and expand the table. There is no table, right click and create table. Name the table name is student info tab. Yes. Now go to the column tab, and then these are the column. I will write first of all column name is sid, means student id, name is data type is integer, and this is not null and primary key. Okay, now go to the this is the general settings. Now this is the definition, constant identity. Select the identity. This is identity. Incremental is 1, start 1. You can put minimum and maximum. Okay, now second column is name, data type is text. Okay, third column name is address, and data type is character varying. Limit is 100 character, and then age is double precision. Okay, now it's done. Click on save. Yes, the table is saved successfully. Columns also added in the table. ID, name, address, age. Now I'm going to inserting record, so right click the table and insert script. This is the script. Now for the name is Swift, address Canada, age 25, and ID is incremental. So click on execute. Or insert has no more target column. That means SID, student ID column is identity type, so remove the column from the command and then execute. Yes, successfully inserted the records. Okay, now let's select the data. Yes, execute. Or ID, name, address inserted successfully. You can see. Now I'm going to inserting one more record. Name Christina, is 26. Execute. Let's check. Yes, the Swift and Christina, the two record inserted successfully. Next tutorial is how to create project to perform CRUD operation using Python. Thanks for watching this tutorial.